All right, we're going to go over the basic parts of a earthworm. And earthworms are in the phylum Annelids. That's phylum Annelids, or Annelida. Okay, so let's start with the exterior here. So we have, first off, we have the head over here. Head. That one's pretty easy, of course. Then up next we have, these are called the setae, and they're hair-like structures. They help the earthworm move. So we're gonna also, when you try to pull an earthworm out of a hole, you sometimes can't pull it out because these hair-like structures are grasping onto the hole. Okay, this part here is the clitellum, and the clitellum it secretes a viscid sac which deposits the eggs, and the clitellum is also a way to identify worms, and also to help to tell which end is the anterior end, the head end, because the clitellum is closer to the head end compared to the posterior end. This back here, of course, would be the anus. And earthworms, they have a coelom, and the coelom is just a body cavity. It's a fluid-filled cavity that protects the organs. So it's this in here. It's a way to categorize different worms. Okay, now let's go down to the interior portions of the worm. And here the worm has a brain. These are 5 hearts, which is really unique to earthworms. 5 of them, pretty crazy. These here are the male reproductive organs. Reproductive organs. And not far from that is the female reproductive organs. So as you can see, earthworms are hermaphrodites, meaning they contain both male and female reproductive parts. They can also reproduce by budding. Like if you cut them in half, they would grow into 2 new worms, which is pretty interesting, and also explains why there's so many worms in the world and in the soil. They're very well they've advanced really well at reproducing. Okay, up here is more male reproductive organs. We're just gonna abbreviate reproductive organs. Here we have the blood vessels. Down here is the nerve cord. This part in here is called the digestive tract. Another blood vessel here. Okay, and then if we were to look at the worm, if it was cut like this, and we were to look at it under a microscope, here's what we would see. We'd see these are circular muscles here, circular muscles. Muscles, I have to write small. This here is another blood vessel. Just a different view of it. We have the body wall here. It's body wall. Definitely running out of room here. Okay. Then up next we have a digestive tube. These are also part of the digestive tube, it looks like. This part here is the nephridia. And nephridia are similar to flame cells. We learned about flame cells in other organisms. The flame cells, they help to remove waste. Here we have a nerve cord. These are the setae that we talked about earlier. Probably saying that wrong. Sorry. Blood vessel here. These here are longitudinal muscles. Okay, so yeah, there's kind of a lot, but if you break it down and just think about it, take a step back, it's not too hard to identify the different parts. So yeah, I hope that helps, and thanks for watching.